Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing out a battery on a 2017 Toyota Rav4. Recently it's not been driven very much lately, so the parasitic draw on this battery has drawn it down too many times, so it's not holding a charge anymore. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change it out, but before I do, I'm just going to quickly do a real quick test to make sure that the alternator is working properly. Before I disconnect the old battery, I'm just going to briefly check the voltage on this battery, and then I'm going to start the car and check the voltage. When I start the car, the voltage should go up. So right now, it's showing 12.4 volts. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's 12.4 right now. Now I'm going to start the car up and check the voltage again. The voltage should increase if the alternator is working properly. Okay, I've got the engine running. We're going to check the voltage. Now we're showing 14.5. So the alternator is definitely working. We're getting 14.5. So the alternator is working. Okay, so we verified that the alternator is working, so this battery is most likely no longer able to hold a charge properly. To do this job for the 2017 Rav4, you are going to need a Group 35 size battery. And as far as tools, get some safety glasses, and all you're going to need is, believe it or not, one wrench. One 10mm wrench to do this job. You definitely want to wear some safety glasses when doing this because if this battery explodes, it could really hurt your eyes. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, I got my safety glasses on. You're going to need your 10mm wrench. There's two bolts that need to come out to hold this battery down. This one and that one. Once we get this bracket off, then we're going to disconnect the battery terminal. If you have a 10mm socket, it'll go a lot quicker. I'm not at my home shop right now, so this is all I had in my mobile tool bag. Now, if you guys like this content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, so that's pretty good. Alright, so we got that first 10mm off. Now we're going to loosen this one up. Don't need to do it too much. That one's loose. There we go. Now the bracket's off. Alright, so now what we're going to do, this is the positive side, that's the negative side. I was always taught to disconnect the negative first and then disconnect the positive, and then when you're connecting the new battery, do it in that reverse order. Then first hook up the positive and then the negative. If you guys need some safety glasses or a cheap multimeter, look in the video description below. So we got the negative off. Now we're going to do the positive. Now the benefit of removing the negative first is that when I'm undoing the positive, if I accidentally hit part of the chassis, I'm not going to worry about causing a short circuit because it's already disconnected. Alright, so a couple more turns. Alright, we got it off. Alright, so that is positive side. Looks like it has a protective sleeve around it. Probably. Alright, got the old one out. Alright, now before I hook up, I want to check the condition of these terminals to see if they need to be. You might also want to keep in your toolkit one of these brushes to clean off battery terminals, and inside it's got a little brush so you can clean up the terminals. These ones look pretty good, but I'm just going to still kind of get them cleaned up a little bit. We got a Group 35 battery. It's brand new from Walmart. And you want to match it up. Remember that old battery that had the positive on this side, which is correct, and the negative on that side. So we're matched up properly. Now I'm going to put this sleeve that was on there on the old battery, put this on here on the new one. There we go. All right. In my last video, one of you guys asked about what kind of watch I was wearing. It's a Glycine Combat AM. I think this particular color is discontinued, but they still have the white-faced watch. This one has the black dial. I'll put a link in the description where you could probably find the white one. All right, so we got this bracket in the back hooked up. Okay, so we got the bracket secured. That's secure. And we want to make sure that this battery is not going to go anywhere in case of any evasive driving. So we're going to take these protective caps off. And remember, I'm going to hook up the positive first. So we got the positive terminal. And don't just trust what color these are, because some idiot could switch them on the battery. There's a negative spot indicator and a positive indicator on this side. All right. Okay, that's tight. So the positive is hooked up. Now we're going to hook up the negative. Alright, so we have everything secured. The positive is tight, the negative's tight, the hold down bolts are tight. Now we're just going to start the car and make sure it's working. And it's 13.8. Alright guys, we got it all installed. We got our new battery in there. It's all working. Once again, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a like, and a subscription. Please stay tuned for more DIY projects.